Today we're talking about how to make people value you more, without chasing them, without feeling desperate, and without trying to win them over. Now, picture this. You're always available, always ready to help, and giving 110% to make someone notice you. But somehow, instead of feeling appreciated, you feel overlooked. Why? Here's the hard truth. Being overly available and always eager can come across as needy, and neediness often drives people away instead of drawing them closer. So, let's change the approach. If you want someone to value you, it starts with how you value yourself. Today, I'll walk you through some powerful, simple steps to take back control and make them see your worth. Step 1. Practice Stoic detachment. The first step is Stoic detachment. Now, this doesn't mean being cold or distant. It's about staying centered and not letting others' opinions control you. In other words, don't rely on someone else's attention to feel valuable. Imagine if you stopped waiting for texts, stopped obsessively checking for responses, and started living for yourself. When you're calm and grounded, people will notice. Epictetus, a famous Stoic, said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." When you don't need their approval, you actually become more attractive. Step 2. Set standards and boundaries. Here's the thing, if you accept the bare minimum from others, they'll give you the bare minimum. People respect those with standards. So, set clear boundaries. Don't drop everything at a moment's notice. Make sure people understand that your time is valuable. When you set standards for how you're treated, others will see you as someone worth respecting and worth choosing. Step 3. Be genuine and build real connections. It's easy to get caught up in trying to impress someone. But real connection isn't about impressing, it's about being yourself. Ask yourself, are you trying to get their approval, or are you showing up as your true self? Be genuine. Let them see the real you. When you stop worrying about whether they'll like you and just focus on building a real bond, people feel that honesty and are more likely to want to stick around. Step 4. Focus on your own growth. People are drawn to those who are always growing and improving. So, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. When you're working toward goals, learning new things, and living a fulfilling life, others will naturally be attracted to that energy. Growth and independence are magnetic. It shows that you're whole on your own and not relying on anyone else to complete you. Closing challenge. If you're ready to make a change, start by affirming, "I control my value." Write it in the comments, say it out loud, and let it sink in. You deserve to be valued for who you are, not for how much you chase someone else's attention. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.